Hello dear students, we are doing chapter 4 fractional numbers. Our today's topic is 1/4. So let's start. Dear students, he is Deepak and he has one chocolate. He was about to start eating, then his younger brother and his two friends came there. Now Deepak decided to divide this chocolate into four equal parts so that all of them can get one equal part of the chocolate. So dear students, in this way we saw each boy has one part out of four equal parts. In words we call it 1/4 and in numbers we call it 1/4. Dear students, now I will divide the square sheet among these four boys equally. Dear students, now what will I do? Yes, now I will fold this square sheet into four equal parts and cut it into four equal pieces. Yes, dear students, now I will give one part of these four equal parts to each of them. Yes, students, now all of them have four equal parts. So, dear students, what we have learned from this? Yes, a whole thing can be divided into four equal parts and one part of it is known as 1/4. We numerically call it 1/4. Dear students, let's learn the concept of 1/4 with this square hanky. I will fold it into four equal parts. Dear students, in this way I will fold it like this. Now I have 1, 2, 3 and 4 equal parts of it. In this way, one whole thing can be divided into four equal parts. The whole thing is known as 1 and the 1/4 part is numerically known as 1/4. Now let's meet Anjali. She has 8 pieces of rangometry. She wants to play with these pieces. His younger brother and two friends came. Dear students, now Anjali decided to divide all these pieces into four equal parts so that all of them can get equal parts. So she divided 8 pieces into four equal parts. Now all of them has 2 pieces of rangometry. Dear students, in this way we learned that total things are 8 and 1/4 of it is 2 things. Now we have one rectangular shape here. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts and out of these 4 equal parts, one part is colored. It means 1/4, 1/4 part of it is colored. Dear students, now let's revise. Total equal parts are 4 and special equal part is 1 which is colored. Dear students, number of total equal parts is equal to 4 and number of special equal parts is equal to 1. In this way, special equal parts upon total equal parts is equal to 1/4. Total equal parts are called denominator and special equal parts are called numerator. In this way, here numerator is 1 and denominator is 4. Dear students, in this way we have learned to divide a whole thing into 4 equal parts and we have also learned to divide the total number of things into 4 equal parts. So in this way we have learned the concept of 1/4. Dear students, all of you are doing preparation for PAS, Punjab Achievement Survey. Dear students, find the fraction of colored part of the image. Our A option is yes 1/1. Option B is 1/2. Option C 1/4 And option D is none of these. Dear students, when we look at the image carefully, we saw that here we have 4 equal parts of the image, and out of these 4 equal parts, one part is colored. So, dear students, its answer is option C, 1 upon 4. Dear students, now it's time for homework. Dear students, at your home, do practice of dividing a whole thing into 4 equal parts and take different things and divide these things into 4 equal parts to learn the concept of 1/4. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.